Hey, hi boys and girls. So tomorrow we will be having our first Zoom meeting, and that's where we get to talk to each other on a camera like this, and we get to just see how everyone's doing. And so I wanted to show you guys how to access that. So you can log into your Clever page. We all know what Clever looks like. And I put it in my favorites already, but you'll probably have to scroll all the way down here, and it's right here in the right-hand corner. So you'll click that and it looks a little different on my screen when I click it, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like on my computer. So when you open Zoom, it should already be downloaded on your Chromebooks, but if it's not, then you'll have to download it onto whatever device you're using. You can use Zoom on a phone, on an iPad, on tablet, pretty much any device. So what you'll do is, in Google Classroom, I'm going to give you a meeting number and a password. So you'll click join here. Now you'll have to enter the meeting ID. That's the meeting number I was talking about. And your name. So I want you guys to write your real names here. Mine will say either Andrea Alvarez or Miss Alvarez. And you'll put that code in. And then this button right here that says join will turn blue. Now once it turns blue, you can click on it. And then the next screen will show you where you can put your password in. And that password, it's any password that I make up and it changes. So the meeting number and the password change every single time that we have a Zoom call. So it's going to be different every single time. So you'll just click that, and I can't really show you what that'll look like right now because I haven't started a meeting. But for example, it'll just pop up on your screen when you do log in, and it'll look like this. You want to join with computer audio, okay? So now my computer is using my audio. That means it can hear me. And then I will also, because I'm using my camera to record this, it can't use my camera for the video, but it is here. Now, once everyone is in our meeting, I'm going to lock it. So tomorrow, our meeting is going to start at 11. Now, I'll give everyone about 5 or 10 minutes to come into the meeting, and then that's when I'm going to lock it. So it's really important that you come on time. I also am putting a survey on Skies, which I'll link to Google Classroom, where I want to know what time is best for you guys to meet. I know that some of you have older brothers and sisters who are using the computers too. So if there's a specific time that works better for you, then I want to know. Um, and I think that's pretty much it. When you do come on here, I will probably end up muting you all, but in case that you don't know how to do that, you just click here, and that means that now no one else will hear you, and it's just easier to work that way when we have a lot of people um, who are doing this at once. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this, and I hope everyone's doing well, and I will see you guys tomorrow.